How to enter BIOS in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily enter the BIOS on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is reboot in safe mode, and we can easily do that by first selecting the Start button in the bottom menu, then selecting the Power button, and before we select Restart, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then select Restart. Keep holding it until it reboots in safe mode. You'll see the screen turn blue. You may have to select Restart anyways, but keep holding the Shift key. Once your laptop reboots into safe mode, you'll see Choose an Option and simply select Troubleshoot. Once in Troubleshoot, go down and select Advanced Options, and then select UEFI Firmware Settings. Then just go ahead and select Restart. It'll then reboot into the BIOS utilities, as you can see right up here, where then you can do anything you need to do. If for some reason the blue screen did not appear, simply reboot your computer, and while it's rebooting, try holding down either the F2, F10, or delete keys until you get to the blue screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.